UFC Fight Night is headed to Orlando, Florida on Saturday, and the main event pits two lightweight heavy hitters fighting for the division's title belt. Current lightweight champion Rafael dos Anjos will defend his title against challenger Donald Cowboy Cerrone. This is dos Anjos' first title defense after winning the belt back in March. Dos Anjos already has a win over Cerrone as he defeated the Cowboy back in 2013. Also on the card is a highly anticipated bout between former heavyweight champion Junior Dos Santos and Alistair Overeem, and lightweights Nate Diaz and Michael Johnson will also meet in the octagon. For all your UFC news, make sure to keep it at NESN.com.